Harry Potter lived a boring life. He was in the solid form, so his molecules were crammed together and could only vibrate in one place. In the solid form, Harry had a definite shape and a fixed volume. The intermolecular motion was very weak, and there was very small intermolecular distance. So one day, Harry set out to go do something different. But soon, Harry the Ice Cube started to see water dripping down his side. Looking up, he saw the hot sun evilly grinning at him. Slowly, Harry melted from the solid form into the liquid form because the heat and energy from the sun was adding more and more energy to Harry's molecules. Because of the added energy, Harry now did not have a definite shape, but he did have a fixed volume. The intermolecular distance was a bit larger, and the molecules could move around a bit more. As he sat there unable to move, Harry's molecules got more energy from the sun. Eventually, Harry vaporized from the liquid form into the gas form. As Harry was vaporizing, he saw that the sun must have put an invisibility spell on him. He was practically invisible in the water vapor form. In the gaseous state, Harry did not have a definite volume nor a definite shape. The intermolecular motion was extremely powerful, and there was very large intermolecular distance between molecules. Luckily, since Harry was in the gaseous form, he could move anywhere he wanted, so he was able to float back into an air-conditioned room, and he felt himself slowly starting to condensate. A little while later, Harry slowly started to condensate on a mirror. When he entered the air-conditioned room, there was less heat, which meant that there was less energy for the water vapor molecules, and so they slowly started to freeze because of the lack of energy. And eventually they ended up freezing onto the surface of the mirror, and it fogged it up. Gradually, the condensation from the mirror slipped off and formed a small pool of water down below. As the AC started blasting and more energy was removed from the water molecules, the small pool of water sitting on the table slowly turned into ice. Although today had been a lot of fun, he was happy to be back into his solid form.